So now we are going to study like how to work with the webcam, live webcam with in your system with the OpenCV. Till now we have studied like how to work with the images in the OpenCV. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to interact with the live camera using OpenCV, how to capture an image from live camera using OpenCV Python, and then live video playing using the OpenCV. Okay. And we can capture images from the webcam of your laptop through the OpenCV, and we can also save them later for the image processing or many other things. Okay, and OpenCV provides lots of functions to do. So first thing comes to our mind is, what is the live video? Basically, whatever you are seeing in the live video, what is this? Live video basically refers to the streaming of video through your laptop webcam or any CCTV footage or videos being captured through your mobile phones. Like whatever the activity is happening, we are streaming that activity. And what are the different applications where we can use the live video? You can create your own data sets of thousands of images within the few minutes through the live video. And you can do the live object detection and the live face recognition, and you can take the CCTV footage video processing, and you can capture the images for the image processing and many other activities. So there are the huge opportunities to work with the live video. Okay, so now I'm going to start execution part. So for that, what I'm using here, I'm using the Jupyter Notebook. I have installed Anaconda, and in the Anaconda, I'm using the Jupyter Notebook. You can use any editor, whatever you want, like Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm. The prerequisite is there should be the OpenCV should be installed, and you have a working webcam. Okay, now I'm going to create a new file, Python file. And the first thing what I need to do here, I need to import CV2. It is little bit difficult to work in the live video in the Google Colab. There are the lots of code they have already provided. So we need to run that, and then only we can work with the Google Colab. So that's why I have opted for the editor. It is easy to work with the editor. But if you want with the Google Colab, then there is inbuilt code is available. You need to run that code to start your camera. Okay, here I'm importing the OpenCV, and now I just want to start my camera. So for starting the camera, what I need to write here is a object, or you can say a method called video capture, defined inside the OpenCV. So I'm just going to call this function cv2.videoCapture. Okay, and inside the video capture, I need to pass a parameter, or I can say argument, that can be the name of the video. Like I can take a pre-recorded video, or the index of the device, index of your webcam. Like if you are, I'm putting here 0, it means I'm using the camera, default camera, the camera installed inside my system. If you are using any external camera and second camera and third camera, then you need to change this parameter like 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, so only one camera is passed. 0 means it is the default camera that is in our system. Okay, so this video capture will start your webcam. You can start the webcam through this function. But what I need to do, I need to capture the frame. As I already told you, video is basically a collection of frames. It is nothing else. It is the collection of frames, or you can say images. So we need to read this webcam. Okay, so using the read function, we can read the image from the video. I'm writing the code here, like reading frames, read comma frame equals to webcam dot read. Here you can see the two arguments, one is the ret and another one is the frame. Frame is if the image is passed or not, like it is camera is started and it is taking the images or not. And the ret is basically it provides true and false value. It specifies whether the image is being read or not. It will give you the true and false exam output. And frame is basically what the frame it is capturing. Okay, so we are starting the webcam and then we need to release the webcam. And here you can check if the frame is captured or not. Then you can print here checking if frame captured or not. Then I'll write here print ret. And now I just need to release the webcam, otherwise it will keep hanging. For releasing we have a function release, webcam dot release. Now I can run this code and you can see it is giving the true output. What does it mean? It means my webcam is started and it has captured the image. If it is giving the false, it means your webcam is not started. Now I just want to display what the frame this camera have captured. So I'll display the image using the imshow function by passing the image name and the window name to be the displayed. So display the image cv2.imshow my first image. This would be the window name and then what is the variable? Frame. And to halt the window, for in the editor we need to write two more lines like wait key function and the destroy all windows. So cv2 dot wait key and releasing all the windows. It will show you the image which we have captured in the upper block, and you can see this is star means it is window is open, it is running. Like this is the my image captured by the webcam. Okay, this is the single image. Here we have not started the camera like live camera till now. We have just started the camera and then we have closed the camera. Instantly it have captured the random image. For a fraction of seconds our webcam was started and it reads and then it vanished. Okay, so now what we need to do, we want to capture a clear output by frame of a live video. Okay, so what I need to do, like here my camera is started once and then it is released. So think about it, what I will do so that my camera will start always. You know, generally the video is not basically video. As I already told you, it is a collection of images or collection of frames. So just imagine what are the frames. Like video has a frame rate through which we can know the speed of our camera. Like for example, our camera has a frame rate of 30 frames per second. Then it means it captures 30 frames in a second. So now imagine what is the speed of your camera. and we need to show that. We don't need to show a particular image. Here we have taken a particular image, but I just want to show the complete all the frames. So for that I need to write a infinity loop. So here what I'm going to write, import cv2, and then I'm just going to start the webcam cv2 dot video capture. Okay, video is being captured through the video capture objects. Okay, and we have the inbuilt camera. I have only the one camera, so I have used here the 0. Now I'm just going to write the infinity loop while true, and now this infinity loop means video will keep running until we will not give the any leaving condition. This loop will run infinity time. For this loop will run for each frame. Okay, so for the each frame, what we are going to do here, I'm just going to read ret comma frame is equal to webcam dot read. Okay, and then I can convert that image from color to grayscale, or either I can directly display this. Like this is reading the camera infinitely. Now I just want to show you how to show using the imshow function. So cv2 dot imshow, and inside this I need to pass two parameters, GUIDOHUB, that is the name of the window, and then the frame. Okay, now this imshow only work when you will give the wait key. So here I'm providing the wait key with a condition, like I need to terminate this loop also. So here I'm writing a condition, if cv2 dot wait key is 1 millisecond, and one more condition I am giving here, if user press a particular key, then it will terminate the loop. Like 0xff is equal to, it will take the sky value ord, like I'm taking the q key. If I'll press the q key and suppose it have hold the window at least 1 millisecond, and then the user press the q key, then it will break the loop. Okay, after breaking the loop, what I need to do, I need to release the webcam dot release, and I can destroy all the windows. cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now I can run this code, and you can see our live camera is working now. Yes guys, thumbs up. Okay, so this is how to run a live video. Or you can change the color of like color to gray. Like this image, you can change frame. This frame is color frame. You can change this frame color to grayscale, so that it will take the less information, and generally when we are working, we are using the grayscale images. So it reduces the computation power basically. So I can write here one more function, like gray is equal to cv2 dot, there is a function cvt color. Inside this I need to pass frame comma cv2 dot color underscore BZR. OpenCV uses the BZR, so I'm converting BZR to grayscale. Okay, and here in place of frame I need to pass the gray. Now I can run this code, and you can see the screen is gray. This is the gray window. The image in the screen showing as the gray. Okay.